Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my chocolate banana brownies. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 3 pieces whole eggs, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup milk chocolate chunks, 2 pieces large bananas, and our ready-made chocolate ganache. So first, melt lang natin si milk chocolate through microwave. Yan. Then, balik tayo here. Okay? So, in your bowl, mix in your dry ingredients. Yung flour, baking powder, salt, tsaka yung sugar. Mix mo lang, then make a well at the center. You put your melted butter. Yan. You can use oil here. Then, vanilla extract. Then, yung eggs. Before mo i-mix, balikan natin si chocolate. Pag sa microwave mo minelt si chocolate, every 15 seconds, labas mo, tapos mix. Tapos, balik mo ulit. Then, continue mixing here. Multitasking tayo ngayon. Melted na. Ayan o. Pakita natin. You can use milk chocolate, pwede bittersweet, pwede ring dark. Melted na siya. Okay, once melted, mix natin sa banana. Do not forget, yung banana kailangan medyo overripe na, okay? Then mash it. Set aside. Then, balik tayo here. Okay? Lastly, let's put the cocoa powder. Pag medyo thick na yung consistency, change to your rubber scraper. Mix it by hand just until wala nang traces ng flour or cocoa powder. Get your baking pan. This is 8-inch square baking pan. Lined with, of course, aluminum paper. So, once okay na yung dalawang mixture, get na natin si baking pan. Then, hulog mo 3/4 of this cocoa mixture. So, after that, set aside. Yung remaining na mixture ni cocoa, mix natin kay banana. Yan. Then after mixing, lagay natin on top. Tapos, spread. Then, let's bake for around 25 minutes. Your Choco Banana Brownies is done already. Malamig na to. Then, para mas chocolatey, let's put some chocolate ganache. Okay? This is piping bag. Then, drizzle lang natin on top. Wow! Look at that. There you go, our Choco Banana Brownies. Again, for the ingredients, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!